Hello, my name is Mohammed Patwari. I'm the lead for this week. Today I will present our project charter for the CRM implementation for client acquisition improvement project. The presentation outlines the business need, project objectives, scope, stakeholder, risk, budget, and expected outcomes of our project. Touchpoint Report 3. The team meeting was held on June 19, 2026 via Zoom to prepare Touchpoint Report 3, TPR 3. The team reviewed feedback from TPR 2, confirmed the CRM based client acquisition improvement project, and discussed the transition from the business case to project initiation. The meeting focused on developing the project charter, identifying key stakeholders, and analyzing their roles, power, interest, and engagement strategies. Responsibilities were assigned to team members for completing the project charter, stakeholder register, stakeholder assessment. The team also confirmed deadlines, communication methods, and the next step required for completing TPR 3. Feedback and team response. During week 5, our team received valuable feedback from our classmates that helped us improve our CRM implementation project. First, we established clear CRM adoption measures such as monitoring system uses, lead updates, and follow-up completion, while providing ongoing support after training to ensure successful adoption. Second, we introduced a structured change control process to evaluate any requested changes based on their impact on the project objectives, timeline, cost, and scope. This helps prevent unnecessary scope expansion. Third, we strengthen our risk management approach by developing a formal risk register to identify, monitor, and respond to potential project risk. Finally, we decided to use a pilot user testing approach before full implementation. This allows us to identify usability test, gather feedback from different user groups, and make improvements before the CRM system is fully launched. Project background and business need. Currently, financial advisors rely heavily on personal connections and manual process to acquire and manage clients. This creates inefficiencies and limits business growth. A CRM system will provide a structured approach to maintaining client relationships and improving performance. Project purpose and objectives. These objectives provide measurable goals that will determine whether the project is successful. They focus on improving efficiency, customer acquisition, and user adoption. Project scope. There's something in scope and something out of scope. In scope is CRM selection and implementation, referral tracking workflows, workflow automation flow-up, user training, testing, and final documentation. The outputs are full website redesign, advanced marketing automation, customer CRM development. The project scope defines the boundaries of our work. It clearly defines what will be included in the CRM implementation and what activities are outside the project scope. Major deliverables and requirements. The deliverables represent the main outcomes of the project. These requirements ensure that the CRM system meets business, technical, and compliance expectations. Assumptions and constraints. Assumptions represent conditions we expect to be true during the project. Constraints are limitations that the team must manage while delivering the project successfully. One of the main constraints is the budget limit is $4,700. Key stakeholders and analysis. Stakeholder analysis helps identify individuals who influence the project and defines how we will communicate and manage their expectations. risk, budget, and schedule. Effective risk management, budget control, and milestone tracking will ensure the project remains on schedule and delivers the expected values. Success criteria. There are some success criteria: positive return on investment, achievement of project objectives, improved client acquisition, successful CRM adoption, and stakeholder approval. Conclusion: the CRM implementation will create a more structured and scalable client acquisition process by improving lead management, automation, reporting, and long term business growth. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Thank you again.